MTT5 is all about triplets. This is a new concept we've not done before. So what is a triplet? It says a triplet is a group of 3 notes played in the time of 2 of the same kind. Okay, 3 notes played and squeezed down to the space of 2. It must be shown by the figure 3. It should have a 3 above it, like down here, okay, or here. A thing like that or a bracket like that is added if the group consists of separate notes or a mixture of notes and rests. Right, so any note can be divided into a triplet in this way. So we've got a semi-breve, and that's the same as 2 minims, okay? And if you convert that into a triplet, you get 3 minims. Now that equals the same value. We've got 3 minims squeezed down into the space of 2. Okay, in this one we've got 2 crotchets and we've got 3 crotchets here as a triplet squeezed down into the same space as 2. Okay, so they last for the same amount. This one we've got 2 quavers and you can draw a triplet with 3 notes but squeezed into the space of 2. So, and the same with the semi-quavers. So what this essentially sounds like is when you've got a beat 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 beats per bar. These are crotchet beats. So you can, it sounds like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 3 quavers in the space of 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it splits the beats up into 3 rather than 2. Note, these are exceptional cases of triplets groups which are not of equivalent notes. In the example below, each group is played in the time of a crotchet, okay? So this is played in space of a crotchet, and this, and this, and this, and all of these. So all of these are kind of note groupings of notes that are squeezed into the space of a crotchet. So let's have a look. What have we got to do? Write one note which will last as long as each group of notes. Right, so got 3 quavers, so 3 quavers as a triplet is going to be the same, just up here, as 2 quavers. So write one note though, so 2 quavers is like 1 crotchet. Okay, so these 3 notes are played lasting the same as a crotchet. This one, 3 minims. So squeeze down to 2 minims. 2 minims equals a semi-breve. Okay, now these are straightforward as well because it's the same as up here, but let's look at this one. This is a dotted crotchet plus a crotchet. That's the same as 2 crotchets and another crotchet. So that's basically 3 crotchet beats. So we're going to squeeze that down to 2 crotchets. So 2 crotchets is the same as a minim. Okay. We've got a crotchet, crotchet rest, and crotchet. So that's 3 crotchets in the space of 2. So we get what equals 2 crotchets. We've got a minim, minim rest, minim. So that's going to be 3 minims in the space of 2 minims. So that's the same as a semi-breve. And then that's fairly straightforward. 3 quavers. And then this is semi-quaver, semi-quaver. That's a semi-quaver rest. Okay? So it's the same as this one, essentially, which I haven't done for you. 3 semi-quavers in the space of 2 semi-quavers. 2 semi-quavers equals a quaver. Okay. Next page. No, I've done that last week. So, next page here. Add a triplet sign where necessary to make these bars fit their time signature. So, the first one is 2-4, 2 crotchet beats. Got a crotchet beat there, crotchet rest. So all of this needs to equal a crotchet beat. So that's a quaver, 2 semi-quavers is a quaver, quaver. So that's essentially 3 quavers. We need that to last 1 beat. So that's going to be a triplet there, okay? And then we've got 3 crotchet beats. So that's a crotchet beat, that's a crotchet beat. We need 1 more crotchet beat. So there's going to be our triplet. It's kind of easy to see where the triplets are going to be. This needs to be 4-4, so we've got a minim, which is 2, and then we've got 3 crotchets. That equals 5 in total. So we've got too many beats. We need this to equal 2 beats. So we're going to put a 3 over that, and we'll put a bracket around each of those. Okay? We don't need a bracket if they're barred together, but we kind of need the bracket if it's not clear where they are. 2, 4, so 2 beats, 1 beat. All of this needs to be a beat, so we'll make that into a triplet there. Okay? All right, I'll let you finish that off. And the last one, colour the caps of the animals according to the value of the triplets. So you need some coloured pencils, red, blue, yellow and green. So which of these caps is going to be equal to a semi-breve? So semi-breve in triplet form, best way is to look back at the other page, which I've lost now. Here it is. So semi-breve is going to be 3 minims. So there you go, there's 3 minims. So that's going to be a red cap. Okay, blue minims. So a minim is going to be 3 crotchets. This is going to be 3 quavers and 3 semi-quavers. Okay. All right, and last page then. Add bar lines to the following. So look at the time signature, 4 crotchet beats and count. So that's 1. This is 1 beat because it's 3 quavers in the space of 2. That's 1, 2, 3 and a half plus a half is 4. So there's our 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And now 3 crotchets in the space of 2 crotchets now. So that, think of that as 2 crotchets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we've got our 3 bar lines, 3 points. Okay, I'll let you work through those and finish that off.